Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm about to show you how to download Valorant on your PC or laptop in 2026. For that, first of all, you need to open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, you need to search for playvalorant.com, which is the official website of Valorant game. When you are on the home page, look for the option of play now or play for free on the page. When you do this, you will be landed here on the platform selection page, where since we want to download the game for our PC or laptop, select the option of PC. Then it is going to ask you, before downloading, you need to create your Riot account over here. So click on the option of create one. Then it is going to redirect you on the sign up page. Over here, you can sign up with multiple different options. You can either continue with the help of your email address, or you can also choose any of these options available in the bottom, like Facebook, Google, your Apple ID, Xbox and PlayStation. So after basically providing your details, you just have to agree to the terms and conditions and sign up for your account. Now as soon as you do this, the download button will be available for you. When you click on the option of download, as you can see, the launcher will start to download on your device. So when the downloadation is completed, simply double click on this launcher, click on the option of install, and you just have to start the installation process. So once the installation process is completed, when you open the launcher for the very first time, it is going to redirect you in your web browser again, and this time it is going to ask you to log in into your Riot client account. So here click on the option of sign in now, because I'm assuming that you already have created your account over here. Now you need to provide your username and your password, and you can select the option of stay signed in. Then click on the option of this arrow. So when you do this, you will be able to basically log in your Valorant game. So when you log in, you just have to basically click on the option of play button in order to launch Valorant. So the first time might take a bit as it sets up your settings and additional files. So this way you will be able to basically download Valorant in your PC or on your laptop. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.